we are making collard green. In my dreams, we are making kale. We don't have collard green where I live, unfortunately, so we are using kale. It's very simple, but it tastes really good. We're just using a few ingredients: onion, tomatoes, garlic. First thing first, we cook our onions. I like to cook it with its own juice. Once the juice dries out, we go ahead and add the oil, minced garlic, chopped rosemary. That's totally optional, but I love the flavor it gives. And then the tomatoes. You can also blend the tomatoes instead of chopping. That will speed the cooking process. Then once the tomatoes are cooked, we go ahead and add the kale, cover and let it sweat a little bit. Then you can mix it and cover and let it cook. It doesn't take long. Taste the salt. I like to finish it off with Ethiopian spice butter. You can totally leave it vegan and use oil. I like to finish it off with jalapeno. This was very delicious. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching again. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.